These ragi and oats pancakes are full of healthy ingredients, which can be a part of your weight management journey or simply if you love to eat healthy. Let's start by adding half cup each of oats and ragi flour. To this goes 1 teaspoon ajwain, salt to taste and some chili flakes. Add some water to make thick batter. Now water you are adding here has to be mixed slowly, little bit at a time to make a lump free batter. Also, if you don't have ajwain, then you can replace it with jeera. But at least add one of those because ajwain and jeera are both good for digestion. I have chosen ragi and oats here because they taste good together and also they are easily available everywhere these days. But this doesn't mean that you can't replace it with any other healthy flour. Many millet flours like rajgira, jowar, bajra can be used as well. And oats flour can be simply made by roasting and fine grinding the oats. Now the batter is done, so time to add veggies. You can add any veggies of your choice. Like here I am adding chopped onions, capsicum, grated carrots, coriander and green chilies. You can also add corn, spinach, mushrooms, cabbage or any veggies you have available at your home. I wanted to give this pancake some protein boost and that's why I also added some crumbled tofu in it after adding veggies. You can also add paneer if you don't have tofu in hand. I have used 2 tablespoons each of veggies and tofu, but you can adjust your quantity according to your batter. Now give it all a good mix with a spoon. Rest it for 2 to 3 minutes and then heat a pan and drizzle some oil. Keep it on the medium heat and then spread a big spoonful of batter, making small pancakes. It should be about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. While spreading, make sure it's not too thick or too thin. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on one side and then flip it. Cook each side of this pancake for about 2 minutes. Keep flipping and pressing gently in between so that it cooks evenly on each side and each side becomes slightly crispy. These pancakes can be a good addition for kids' tiffin boxes too. These are so rich in iron, protein, calcium, and vitamins, and of course, an easy way to feed your kids some veggies. Finally, when it's done, serve hot with yogurt or any chutney or dip you like. This mix is so versatile and can be made in uppe pan too. Make it for breakfast or anytime snack as you saw how easily and quickly it can be made in few minutes. Hope you like this healthy and quick recipe. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.